This 55-inch smart QLED TV from OnePlus comes with 4K Ultra HD resolution. The 4K UHD resolution offers clarity and details in pictures and lets you see rich colors even in dark scenes. The Gamma Color Magic, Dolby Atmos and HDR10 Plus technology provide richer picture, better contrast and accurate color reproduction with sharp and crisp images even in dark scenes. The recommended viewing distance for this TV is 8 to 15 feet. Enjoy smart and latest features with the Oxygen OS with Android Pie. This TV is equipped with Mali G51 processor along with 3 GB RAM for fast and smooth performance. It also has an internal memory of 16 GB. Download apps from the official Google Play Store to watch movies, TV shows and play games. With the built-in Chromecast feature, you can cast your phone screen onto your TV easily. The TV has 4 HDMI and 3 USB ports, allowing you to connect multiple devices like a set-top box, DVD player, gaming consoles, etc. Experience Dolby surround sound with the 50-watt Dolby Atmos speakers and subwoofers. This TV comes with one wall mounting bracket, user manual, warranty card, remote control, one AV-in adapter, one AC cord and one USB Type-C cable. The OnePlus QLED TV comes with standard brand warranty. It comes with free installation and demo. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.